Salesforce Service Cloud Voice uses intelligent telephony to increase agent productivity and better serve customers from anywhere. Agents can now handle phone calls with the same workspace and intelligent productivity tools used for digital channels. When agents are online, they can answer calls right inside of Omnichannel with intuitive controls to transfer, mute, hold, and end calls without leaving the service console. With intelligent IVR, they already know what customers are calling about before answering, like questions about billing, and can see a complete view of the customer with the Customer 360 platform, including integrated data like billing history and past service transactions. While real-time transcription captures calls as they're happening so agents can focus on resolving the issue instead of writing notes. And Einstein Article Recommendation pulls up helpful articles about the policy that agents can send to customers for more information based on content of the call in real time. Then, agents can be guided through processes step by step, like issuing refunds or signing customers up for new policies with lightning flows. While Einstein Next Best Action automatically suggests next best steps by using intelligence to pull information from calls transcribed in real time. At the end of the call, the recording and transcript are attached to the case, and Einstein Case Wrap-Up reduces average handle time by predicting case fields. Contact center supervisors can also monitor voice calls the way they monitor digital conversations, like using keyword flagging to choose which calls to monitor at any time, and sending agents notes in real time, all while managing remotely with the enhanced Omnichannel Supervisor Console. See how to easily set up cloud telephony, get running quickly, and unify your call center with Salesforce Service Cloud Voice.